Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you some additional steps in order to farm the Scroll Network airdrop. Now Scroll has recently introduced their point system in order to farm the Scroll airdrop, and I have made couple of videos in the past stating as to how you can go ahead and farm the Scroll airdrop. You can have a look at it, links in the description. So with the introduction of Scroll sessions over here, as you can see they have this new point system which is called as marks over here, and I have managed to receive some marks on the Scroll network. So if we scroll a bit down over here, as you can see, now if you had spent some gas fees on Scroll network in between the mainnet launch, which was on like October 10th of 2023 till 20th of April 2024, like last month, then you would be eligible for this marks over here. So as you can see, I've spent like close to 0.02 worth of ETH as gas over here, and I managed to like earn 508.59 marks on this wallet over here. And with regards to earning some additional marks or points on Scroll network, basically the first option is to go to the native bridge over here, and over here you can basically bridge your Ethereum from your Ethereum mainnet to Ethereum Scroll net over here. So you can just simply put in the amount of Ethereum that you want to bridge to the Scroll network, and you can proceed with the bridge over here. Now please note that I would advise is at least like use this official Scroll bridge once, because this might potentially help you qualify for the Scroll network airdrop. Although none of this is guaranteed and not a financial advice, do your own research. So by bridging this from Ethereum to Scroll, you will get some points over here or marks over here. So as you can see, if I remember correctly, I had like it was long back, I think around $300 or $400 worth of bridging I had done from Ethereum to Scroll, if I remember correctly, and I managed to get this 9 points over here. Now similarly, there is something called as wrapped Lido stake teeth, where you will be getting some additional points. So for this, basically you can go to their Lido website over here, and once you stake your Ethereum, you will be getting something called as Lido staked Ethereum, which is ST ETH. So as you can see, if I go over here and show it to you, let's say if you want to like go ahead and stake like 0.001 ETH over here, then you will be receiving this 0.001 Lido staked ETH. Of course, you will be receiving certain APR on this Lido staked ETH over here, which is like close to, I think so, 3 or 4%. And the next step, what you want to do is basically you have to wrap this Lido staked ETH into WST ETH over here. So all you have to do is you can convert the same like 0.001 ST ETH, and you get this wrapped Lido staked ETH, which is like 0.00087857 as per the current price over here. Now once you have this WST ETH over here, you can go to the bridge over here, and basically you can bridge this wrap Lido staked ETH from Ethereum to Scroll mainnet, and this will help you secure some additional points over here. Now there is something also called as stake stone over here, which is on layer 0. Now if you go ahead and stake your ETH over here, which is giving like 3.46% APR. So for example, if I want to go ahead and maybe stake like 0.001 ETH, I will be getting like 0.001 stone, which is like in the equivalent amount. Now once you get this stone over here, basically you can go ahead and bridge this 0.001 or the amount of stone that you have to the Scroll main network, and once you do that, you will be getting the points over here or marks over here. Now as you can see, they have also mentioned that more eligible assets will be announced soon. So there would be more things that would be coming in order to like gain some marks or points on the Scroll network. Now once again, like farming this airdrop is not free. You will need to spend money in order to farm this airdrop. But to be honest, Scroll is a decent L2 on the Ethereum mainnet, and I might go ahead and farm this airdrop. So this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.